Hello everyone, welcome to my channel UPSC Way. Today we are going to discuss World Environment Day 2021. For preparing any government exam, this is very important topic. So please stay with me at the end of the video, and please if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe. Recently we celebrated World Environment Day. So it is very necessary to know that why it is in news, what is the history of World Environment Day, theme for 2021, host nation, initiative taken by India, significance of this day, importance of this day, and conclusion. Let's start. Why it is in news? Recently, on 5 June 2021, World Environment Day is the United Nations Day for encouraging worldwide awareness and action to protect our environment. We all know a clean environment is very important to live a peaceful and healthy life, but our environment is getting destroyed day by day. Now, we should know about the history of World Environment Day. Why June 5? The United Nations Assembly established World Environment Day in 1972, which was the first day of the Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment. The first year of observance of World Environment Day in 1974 to the first Environment Day was held with the theme of Only One Earth. So, it was the history of this day. Now, theme for 2021. The theme for 2021 is Reimagine, Recreate and Restore. Restoring the ecosystem. It will kick off the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration 2021 to 2030. It is a global mission to revive millions of hectares from forest to farmland, from the top of the mountains to the depth of the sea. Now, host nation. Talking about host nation of 2021 is Pakistan. Every World Environment Day has a different host country where the official celebrations take place. Pakistan is the global host for 2021. The government of Pakistan plans to expand and restore the country's forests through a 10 billion tree tsunami spread over 5 years. Through the 10 billion tree tsunami, Pakistan is contributing to the Bond Challenge, a global effort linked to the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. One thing is very important to know that in 2020, Colombia was the host country and the theme was Time for Nature. Time for Nature. And in 2018, the host country was India and the theme was Beat Plastic Pollution. Beat Plastic Pollution. Next is UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration 2021 to 2030. UN Decade runs from 2021 through 2030, which is also the deadline for the Sustainable Development Goals and the timeline scientists have identified as the last chance to prevent catastrophic climate change. Led by the United Nations Environment Programme UNEP and Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations FAO, the UN Decade is building a strong, broad-based global movement to ramp up restoration and put the world on track for a sustainable future. Now, initiatives taken by Indian government. The Indian government is releasing the E20 notification that will allow oil companies to sell 20% ethanol blended petrol from 1st April 2023 and BIS specifications for ethanol blends E12 and E15. Next is E100 pilot project has been launched in Pune for the production and distribution of ethanol across the country. Now, coming to the significance of World Environment Day. So, the significance is the concept behind observing World Environment Day is to focus on the importance of the environment and to remind people that nature should not be taken for granted. This day is observing across the world to respect and acknowledge everything that the environment has given mankind and to take the pledge that to protect it. Now, importance of the World Environment Day. All human beings, animals, natural flora, trees, weather, climate are all contained under the environment. The environment not only works to maintain balance in the climate but also provide all the things necessary for life. Today, science has promoted technology and there has been a lot of development in the world. On the other hand, they are also responsible for the increasing environmental pollution. Modernization, industrialization, and the use of growing technology have adversely affected the environment. So, this was the importance of World Environment Day. And now, coming to the conclusion. The state of our environment is falling day by day due to pollution and global warming. We must celebrate environment friendly development to save the environment for a better future in the country. And the appeal is save the environment, make plantation and save water. Please subscribe the channel and thanks for watching.